This is our horizontal drum roller mixer, designed for rolling or mixing drums of 200 litres in size, both steel and plastic. The unit is self-contained and fully guarded, meaning the drum can be left mixing unattended. We have a mixer timer, so you just simply set the time you want to mix and start the mixer going. The unit's great for mixing processes where we don't want to aerate the drum too much, and because of the adjustable speed, we can adapt it based on the material we need to mix. As we're mixing, we can stop at any time, stop the mixing cycle, and bring the drum to a vertical. It's all about making things simple, safe and easy, and that's why we brought the drum right down to the ground. So we simply open up our cage, the drum's at ground level ready to be unloaded. The caged arrangement is really important for safety. Because we have moving parts during the mixing process, it's important that it's fully safe for operators outside of the machine. With the drum removed, we can see inside the mixer head. You can see our base plate very close to the ground, easy loading with trolleys or drum lifters. Then we have our wheels at the back which are rotating. As we bring the drum into horizontal and we start the mix, we'll be mixing the drum on the rollers, and we've got good support for plastic and steel drums. We can load drums in and out with our DTC01 universal drum trolley. Bring the drum around, lining it up. With the drum loaded, we bring down the top gate, bring the front gate around and lock it. And we tilt back into the horizontal. The light illuminates to say we're ready to mix, and we press our start button. We'll now unload with the trolley. It's important that the catch position is quite high when we're unloading and loading to ensure we have adequate clearance off the ground. Bring the trolley in, push it up against the drum, catch connects. If needed, lift the catch up to get to full height. Bring the drum out. The unit can also be loaded with one of our narrow counterbalance drum lifters. This is a manual hydraulic version where we pump the handle to lift the drum, and we also do an electric version. Pulling the unit back, line it up and load this L-ring plastic drum. As I mentioned, the mixer will handle steel and plastic drums. Lower down. With the plastic drum loaded, it's a good time to show you our control panel. Firstly, we're going to rotate the drum into the horizontal. So we press our rotation button here. At any point when we let go, the drum stops in position. And then we have our other button for bringing the drum vertical. Because we're going to start mixing, we'll fully live the drum down. It's not possible to mix unless the drum is in this fully horizontal position. So when we go fully horizontal, this green light illuminates to tell us we're ready to mix. Once we're ready to mix, we have our timer up here, set for 30 minutes, and we can easily adjust the timer. Going down, we have our different indicators showing us the state of the unit, so whether we're ready to mix, whether we're mixing, or whether we're disabled. The disabled light will illuminate if we open the door. So as an example, we open the door at any point, we have the red disabled light. That counts for the front door and the top door, so we have to close the doors, secure them, and the light goes out. To start the mixing process, we press the power button, our light illuminates, and we're starting to mix this plastic drum. At any point, we can cut the power to machine using the emergency stop button. We press this in to completely stop the machine. Again, the red disabled light illuminates. To reset, rotate it clockwise, pops back out, and then we're ready to go again. So we can start mixing and continue the process. This is a new model we've developed, taking on board customer feedback and requirements from the various sites around the world. We can offer it in steel or stainless steel, so get in touch today if you're interested in this unit.